Well, hello. All right, I had so much fun making all of my patterns. I loved making my Pac-Man one, my music one, all my people. Oh, they were so fun to make. So I worked hard on them, I got that done, and now we're going to start part 2, the resist part. So remember, there's wax in the crayons, and wax and water, they don't mix together. So when I put this watercolor paint over my crayon picture, the paint is going to go around the crayon and it's not going to cover up what we've already done. Okay, so these are watercolor paints. They get a little messy, but don't worry. They won't get messy on your clothes, but they get messy inside the tray. Okay, so water is by the sink, the brushes are over there, and then the watercolor paints are up at the front table, okay? We are actually going to share the cup of water with the person next to you, and you're also going to share your paint, okay? If you don't have a person next to you, well then you'll have your own, okay? All right, so we are going to start. Let me get my paintbrush nice and wet, okay? Remember, I call these my ballerinas. They stay up on their tiptoes. And watercolor paint is dry, just like those other big trays of paint that we use a lot. So we have to get them wet. So I'm gonna put my ballerina in the red paint and I twirl her around. And watercolor paint needs to have a lot of water. That's why we call it watercolor paint. So you really wanna make sure you're getting your little tray of paint. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see. I'm really putting quite a bit of water from my brush in there and mixing it together, okay? Once you have your paint nice and wet, then I'm gonna do one row at a time. So I'm gonna work on this row, and I'm going to paint with the watercolor, and I can actually paint over what I've already done because it will not make that image, those shapes that I made under there, it won't make it go away. It stays. It looks really pretty. So I'm gonna do this whole row with red. And then I'm gonna move on and I'm gonna do the next row with a different color. Okay, so I want you to go row by row using lots of water. These are different than the other paints. You don't have to see bubbles with these paints. You just want to have them nice and wet. When you change color, so now when I get to this next row and I want to change colors, look at if I paint over my paper with water. Makes the paint spread better. So now remember, changing color. Clean your brush, put your ballerina in the water, twirl it around, and now I can pick a new color. Maybe I want to do the next one, green. I need some more water in there. Remember, ballerinas stay on their tiptoes. Keep those brushes right on the tips. And now I can do the next row with green. Oh, I like the green. That's pretty. Oh, the fun. Love watercolor. All right, well, I'm going to let you guys work on yours and finish them. When these are all done, they will go to the kindergarten drying rack or the first grade drying rack, which is over by the door, okay? So find the drying rack with your grade level on it and put it on there and make sure you don't stack it on top of someone else's. Otherwise, they stick together and then I can't get them apart, okay? All right, I can't wait to see you all working hard.